In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a tax summary in FreshBooks. To get started, sign into your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard, where you can access the tools and financial reports tied to your business. Make sure you're using the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one company profile. Next, open the Reports section by selecting Reports from the left-hand menu. This area contains a variety of financial summaries and accounting reports, so it's the right place to go when you need tax-related information for a specific time period. Once you're in the reports list, locate the tax summary report. Depending on your account layout, you may need to scroll through the available reports to find it. When you see tax summary, click on it to open the report. After the report loads, choose the date range you want to review. This step is important because your tax summary will only reflect the reporting period you select. For example, you may want to review a month, a quarter, or a full year, depending on your filing or reporting needs. After selecting the date range, apply or update the report, so FreshBooks refreshes the data for that period. Wait a moment for the report to reload, and then review the information that appears on screen. At this stage, you'll be able to view the tax amounts collected and reported during the selected time frame. Take your time here and look carefully at the totals. If the report includes expandable tax details, open those sections as well. This can help you understand how the totals are broken down and give you a clearer picture of the tax activity in your account. Next, verify the tax totals. This means confirming that the figures shown in the report match your expectations and records. It's a good idea to check for anything unusual before exporting or sharing the report, especially if you're preparing documents for bookkeeping or tax filing purposes. If everything looks correct, use the available export, print, or sharing options if needed. FreshBooks may give you different output choices depending on your setup, so select the one that works best for your workflow. After that, save the report output by downloading or saving it if required. This is useful if you want to keep a copy for your records, send it to an accountant, or reference it later. Finally, review the saved or final version of the tax summary and confirm that it contains all the information you need. Thanks for watching.